Yesterday I explained shortcuts. Okay. So now I'll continue some questions on the shortcuts. Then we'll start the questions. Next questions. So yesterday, what are the shortcuts I gave? Yesterday, one question I was teaching you. This one, right? So the question was. This is the question. Find one of the factors of a, b, c, a square, b square, c square, 1 plus a cube, 1 plus b cube, 1 plus c cube is equal to how much? One of the factor. Option A, ABC. Option B, A plus B. Option C, 1 plus ABC. Option D, 1 minus ABC. This is the question, right? So this question actually I wrote yesterday half of the question, not complete question. This is right now, this is proper question. One of the factor, okay, if you want to find what is the one of the factor, what you do here, substitute A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3. This is easy way. Okay, substitute A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3. If you substitute this, then what you get here? You will get here 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 9, A cube 2, na? 2, 9, 28. So this value you are getting 14. Determinant of this you get 14. So actually question is one of the factor. Okay. So options also will substitute them. So option, if you substitute option A will be what here? 1 into 2 into 3, that is 6. Option B is what here? A plus B, 1 plus 2, that is 3. Option C is what here? 1 plus 6, that is 7. Option D is what? 1 minus 6, that is 5. So what is the factor for 14? So 7. So C is the right answer. This was the question. Okay, sir. This question, this is asked in JEE 2015. Question is, if x square plus x, 2x square plus 3x minus 1, x square plus 2x plus 3, x plus 1, 3x, 2x minus 1, x minus 2, 3x minus 3, 2x minus 1. The determinant value of this is equal to ax minus 12. then A is equal to dash. Okay, JEE 2015 question. Option A 12, option B 24, option C minus 12, option D minus 24. So this is the question asked in JEE 2015. Shortcuts we are discussing. Okay. So what is the given? Determinant of this one, determinant of x square plus x, 2x square minus 3x minus 1, x square plus 2x plus 3, x plus 1, 3x, 2x minus 1. This matrix is there. This determinant they given that ax minus 12. What you have to find? A value. So how to find? See, if you do elementary transformation, it takes time. What you have to do here? You have to try to make a combination. You have to make it 1 0 0 combination. So what you do here? Instead of that, keep x is equal to 1. Keep anything, x is equal to anything except 0. See, you have to see always. It should not get determinant 0. See, one thing I will tell you. Suppose you are substituting here, you should not get one row same or one column same. Likewise. So what you get, x is equal to 1, you substitute. What you are going to get? If you substitute x is equal to 1, 1 square plus 1, that is 2. 1, 3, 5, 5 minus 1, 4. Here this is 6. And here 2. Next here 3. Next 1. Here 1 minus 2 minus 1. 0. Here 2 minus 1, 1. Okay. This is equal to a minus 12. Because x is 1 here. Correct? So what I am going to get here? Can you tell me? 2 into 3 minus 0 minus 2 into 4 minus 0, right? Minus 1 into 4 minus 18. So this is equal to a minus 12. So what I get here? 2 3 is 6 minus 8 minus plus 12 plus 14 is equal to a minus 12. So this will give you 20 minus 12, right? 12 equal to a minus 12. So a is equal to 24, correct? Right? A is equal to 24. Options I need. Okay. B. Right. So this is easy way. See your next question. So let A comma B comma C such that B into A plus C is not equal to 0. Okay. And they are saying that this determinant and this determinant value is 0. Then what is the value of n? Okay. So such questions if you want to solve, see this condition you have to see, that B into A plus C not 0. So you do one thing, it to become easy, take A is equal to C is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1. Check that if you are getting 0 or not. Here if you substitute, not getting 0, right? So all I can take 1 if I take what I get 0 0 1 0 1. Okay, can I take all 1 or can I take 1 or 2? 1 2 3. You tell me. You want 1 2 and B is equal to minus 1, you take it. A equal to C equal to 1, B is equal to minus 1. Okay, if you take what happens, A is 1, so 1. Why it is we are taking B to make this row same. So 1 1 1, all 1 1 you got. Now 1 plus 1 2, minus 1 plus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 2 2. Okay, that is that plus 2 0 0 1 minus 1 0 minus 2 2 minus 1 power n plus 2 into 1 minus 1 power n plus 1 into minus 1 and minus 1 power n into 1, that is equal to 0. Now add these matrices. No? Find the determinant of the first one. What is the determinant of first one? If I open from here, what is the determinant you are getting? Determinant. Yes? Any answer? So 1 into, I can open the determinant here. I'll open the determinant. 1 into 0 into 2 0 and this is 0. So 1 completely you get 0. Minus 2 into 1 2s are 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 and plus 0 is totally the determinant you are getting minus 8. This determinant is minus 8 plus this determinant will be how much? 2 into minus 2 into this minus 2 into minus 1 power n. Okay, right? Minus into minus plus 2 into minus 1 power n plus 1. Okay, this is what I am getting. I can take 2 common out. Minus 8 plus 4 into minus 1 into minus 1 power n plus minus 1 power n plus 1. Correct? Is it right? Okay, this is should be 0. You have to get this value should be 0. So for what value of n this will become 0? That is the question. Okay. If I take n is equal to even, first option. Okay. Even number means let us take 2. It's running. Yeah. If I take 2, what I am going to get here? Minus 8 plus 4. This minus 1 into, this is you get positive. Plus, this is you get how much? Negative. Yeah, cube. Means negative. Negative you get. So this is not going to get 0. So even is not going to get. Now we are going to for the second option. N is equal to, let us take 1. Odd number, na? 1 or 3, you take 1 or 3. What I get here? Minus 8 plus 4 into minus 1 into minus 1 plus this is how much I get? Minus 1 square is 1. So what I am getting? Minus 8 plus 4 into 2. I am getting 0. Means it's satisfied. So B is right answer. Any integer not possible because even integer not possible. 0. For 0 check it. Is it possible for 0? No. Right? If I take 0, you get here 0. 4 into 0, 0. So you are getting minus 8. So option B is the right answer. See here, this B, A, C values you can take anything. Rule is what? A plus C into B should not be 0. You can take A, B, C numbers anything, but if you do this one should not get 0. If you are getting 0, that one you should not take. Except that you can take anything. For easy convenience, here we took A 1, 1 minus 1 to get easy way. Means simplification to become easy. Okay ना? JEE के लिए मेथड नहीं चाहिए. Right? Next question, JEE question. These are all JEE questions. Okay. Next question is, if A square plus B square plus C square is equal to minus 2 and f of x is equals to 1 plus a square x, 1 plus a square into x, 1 plus a square into x, 1 plus b square into x, 1 plus b square x, 1 plus b square into x, 1 plus c square into x, 1 plus c square into x, 1 plus c square x. I'll check it once again. Yeah, then f of x is a polynomial of degree dash. Option A 0, option B 1, option C 2, option D 3. So this is the question, JEE previous year question. If a square plus b square plus c square equal to -2 and f of x is equal to this, f of x is a polynomial. F of x is saying this determinant value is a polynomial, okay, of degree. Which degree? Okay. Okay sir. तो अब क्या सोचे हम? See, you tell me such values, the sum should get -2. Think and tell me A, B, C values, that sum should get -2. Huh? I too don't know. You should only tell. Iota. Very good, very good. What I can take, tell me. What I can take here? A is equal to iota, B is equal to iota. Iota square is how much? Achha, A minus 1, A minus 1. And C will be what? 0. If I take like this value will become -2 or not? Right? So can I take like this? Yes. So do it. So tell me, now tell me, the first step kya hai? F of x is equal to what I am getting? Iota, right? Iota square -1, 1 minus x. 1 minus x here, 1 minus 1 0, right? 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 into x. AB 1 minus 1 into x, right? B square is -1, so 1 minus 1 into x. 1 minus B square is -1 minus x. 1 minus 1 into x, right? 1 is 0. X here, c square is 0, right? So x here, c square is 0, so 1. Correct? Am I right? Yes sir. So what you got? F of x is equal to, you got 1 minus x, 0 0 0, 1 minus x, 0, x 1, x, right? So determinant is how much you are going to get? 1 minus x into this minus this, so 1 minus x. So 1 minus x into 1 minus x is how much? 1 minus x whole square. So polynomial of degree 2. So 1 minus 2x plus x square. So degree is 2. So C is the right answer. Right? So next question is determinant of A minus B minus C, 2B, 2C, 2A, B minus C minus A, 2C, 2A, 2B, C minus A minus B is equal to A plus B plus C whole cube. अच्छा इज इक्वल टू डैश, सॉरी ऐसा कर रहे हैं तो क्या है, इज इक्वल टू डैश है ना. ऑप्शन ए प्लस बी प्लस सी होल क्यूब. ऑप्शन बी ए माइनस बी प्लस सी होल क्यूब. ऑप्शन सी ए प्लस बी प्लस सी इंटू ए बी माइनस बी सी माइनस सी ए. ऑप्शन डी ए बी माइनस बी सी माइनस सी ए. टेल मी. See, you can do any method. You can apply elementary transformation or you can apply anything, but I want answer. See, I will explain elementary transformation to get idea of this. हाँ सही है. ऑप्शन ए राइट आंसर. See, option A is the right answer. What you have taken, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3. Shortcut method is that. But if this is, I am explaining, if you are preparing for the boards in class 12, so this side type, so previous questions that are not going to ask in exam. So shortcut I explain. But these questions are important for boards also. So when you are preparing for boards, shortcut don't use it. Means A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3. Substitute here, you find the determinant. How much you get?
2 and 6.
2 and 6. 2 and 6. Dono?
2 and 6.
2, 1, 6. Okay, if you got 2, 1, 6, you have to check which one will give you 2, 1, 6. So 2 plus 3 plus 1, 6 cube. 6 cube is 2, 1, 6. Okay. Now if you are doing in traditional method, what to do here? Traditional method, see here, traditional method, only one thing remember, check whether if you do multiplication or subtraction you get anything 0 or 1. If not possible, go for this method. R1 implies R1 plus R2 plus R3. Go for this. So if I do R1 plus R2 plus R3, what I will get? This is, I am going to get what here? A plus B plus C. See there. R1 plus R2 plus R3. Here A minus B minus C plus 2B. Okay. Plus 2C. So if you add, how much you get? A plus B plus C. Here all what you get here? A plus B plus C. Here what you get here? A plus B plus C. R2, R3 will not change, will be same. So what I get here? 2B, 2C, B minus C minus A, 2C, 2B, C minus A minus B. Okay, right? So what do you do here? A plus B plus C, we take common. So what I get here? 1, 1, 1, 2B, 2C, B minus C minus A, 2C, 2B, C minus A minus B. Right? Now what do you do? Huh? We have to take zeros. So how to take? Yeah. C2 implies C2 minus C1. C3 implies C3 minus C1. So what I get here? This value is a plus b plus c into c2 minus c1. This is 0. The c1 is same, right? This is same. This will be 0. This will be 0. Okay, this minus this. All minus. All minus. Minus a minus b minus c. 0. Beautiful. अच्छा यार 2 minus 0 0, right ना? Minus a minus b minus c आ गया. So what you got here? See this. See here minus if I take common, na? This is if I open the determinant. What is there outside a plus b plus c? I have. Here I take minus common, a plus b plus c. Here I take common, a plus b plus c. ये दोनों का multiplication, a plus b plus c whole square, 1 into this. So you get as a plus b plus c whole square. Finally you get as a plus b plus c whole cube. Why I explain this means such questions asked in boards also. So boards pattern also you should know. Correct? Huh?
Let us assume like that way we can apply. Like in groups we apply now. That way.
No. Let us assume a is 1, b is 2. कुछ भी